Long nights fade, the chill begins to ease. The snow-kissed branches whisper in the breeze. A quiet promise stirring from the ground. A silent hope, a sweet familiar sound. The world was sleeping, covered deep in white. Now I see a glimmer, morning light. Oh, springtime's coming, feel it in my soul. Breaking free, finally taking hold. New beginnings, sun is shining bright. Chasing shadows, bathing us in light. See the buds unfurling, green replacing gray. Hear the birds returning, greeting every day. Winter's memory is starting to release a joyful chorus, bringing inner peace. The world was sleeping, covered deep in white. But now I see a glimmer, morning light. Oh, springtime's coming, feel it in my soul. Breaking free, finally taking hold. New beginning, sun is shining bright. Chasing shadows, bathing us in light. From frozen ground, new life will always rise. The world was sleeping, covered deep in white. But now I see a glimmer, morning light. A melody singing in my heart. Oh, springtime's coming, feel it in my soul. Breaking free, finally taking hold. New beginning, sun is shining bright. Chasing shadows, bathing us in light. Springtime's here. Yeah. Light.